Don West Jr. And today we're wandering into the mailbox. We got a package from Glendside, Pennsylvania. My dad's brother, my Uncle Gary, and he has a lot of experience in the food business, so I've been talking to him about this project I'm working on, Cedella Marley-Booker, Smilin Island Foods, and he sent me this really cool book, From Kitchen to Market, Selling Your Gourmet Food Specialty. He told me this book was published a few years ago. It's a few years old, but he felt like there would be some information in there that would help us do just that. Take this amazing brand of recipes that were originated by Bob Marley's mother, Cedella Marley-Booker, in her kitchen in Miami while she was cooking for her family, and she had a dream and a vision. So it's my honor, my privilege, my mitzvah to bring this brand to you guys. Thank you, Uncle Gary, for this book. I'm going to use this resource and check it out. That's what we're trying to do. We're trying to take our food from her kitchen to your market, to a market near you. So we hope you try it. We're on Amazon, SmilinIslandFoods.com. You can buy it from us. We're working up recipes so we can help you cook it and make it Smilin Island delicious. Check it out. We got 5 pepper sauces, 2 seasonings. They're all delicious. And hey, when you have it, you know you're going to have a Smilin Island good time. I'm Don West Jr., Dutch Wonders. Until next time.